Hello friends, hope you are all doing well. And guys, in this video I will share with you 5 lines on eagle in English. Let's start from number 1. One is the eagle is a very powerful and predator bird. And guys, अगर आपने मेरे इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, जिससे कि आपको रिलेटेड न्यूज़ वीडियोस आपको मिलती रहें. And guys, number 2 is the eagle has 2 claws, 2 light feathers and 2 eyes, a curved pointed beak and sharp nail in the claws. Number 3 is the species of eagle is found almost all over the world. It has more than 60 species. And guys, number 4 is the eagle flies at an altitude of about 10,000 feet. And number 5 is the ability of eagle to see is a very high. It can see up to 5 km away. Guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and keep watching my videos. Thank you.